Hello guys, here we have the new TCL bar C937. It's the one with the surround channels. This is the remote control, which has a display built in. As you can see, we can have indications here, indications about volume, about the level of the speakers, average bass, dialogue, soundbar, sound, left and right. I have put the soundbar underneath the C935 television, 65 inch. This is the subwoofer, it's already connected. Okay, the soundbar is supported by an app, this one. We have to go to TCL Home app. Then we have the settings, for example, movie, voice, sports, standard, game. If we listen to music, we press this one. Then we have the effects, night and surround, enhanced and bass boost. And then we have volume control, general one, bass and treble. Speaker volume, maximum and minimum. And then we have dialogue enhanced. So this is the app. This is the dashboard of the app. Now we're connecting with HDMI eARC. Then we have volume control and AI Sonic. This is a nice feature, AI Sonic. This AI Sonic, it's like a room calibration to get ready, and says here, and to by Bluetooth and using the microphone of our smartphone, and to calibrate the sound of the, like this. We'll turn the phone in order to expose the microphone, and we continue like this. I have done this before, so we can create as many as curves, EQ curves, calibrations as we like. I did previously this RC1. As I said, we have the subwoofer plugged in. Then we have the one channel here and the other over here. I'm streaming content from Tidal, Dolby Atmos. This is a Dolby Atmos theme, for example, a track from Athena Galatis. The movie is nothing to do with the sound, the movie that's playing right now. This is another track from the same lady, original VR soundtrack they call it. We're almost at the 96 volume, which is Okay guys, I have done the test previously with movies and music. This soundbar is very nice for the price. It's a very decent one. Cannot compete with the high priced ones, for example from Samsung or Sennheiser or others. Cannot compete with the high level guys, but for a soundbar with surround speakers, I think there is no other one else in the market available right now. Thank you for watching.